Hello, my future Motios. How's your preparation going? I hope it's going good only. And to make it even better, I am coming out with CA Final Audit Test Series for May 2023 students. And let's see what's the schedule for the test series. You can also opt for unscheduled, but let's see what the schedule. Test 1, test 2, and test 3. I'll be conducting 3 tests of 60 marks each, and we'll be covering one third portion in each of these tests. Then finally, we'll be coming out with the full syllabus 100 marks test, which will be as per ICAI pattern. But yes, you'll find few of the questions from my side as well, apart from ICAI questions. And plus, one thing that I'm offering with this test series is that you'll get 6 complimentary test paper, which I won't be checking, but yes, you will get the suggested answer. So this pre-test you should do during your first revision in the month of Feb only, and then finally you should start giving your scheduled test series after completing your second revision in the month of March or in the month of April. And then I'll be only checking the papers, so I want not too many papers, so I'll be checking limited papers. So enroll accordingly. Paper will also be evaluated in just around a matter of 3 to 5 days from the date of submission, if submitted before date. So you have to submit it the last date for submission I mentioned, and the chapters covered is also mentioned. So make ensure that just ensure that you are submitting the last date for submission before that. And I already mentioned that few questions you will see from my side, as well as few questions from RTP, MTP, and ICAI question as well. Just that I'll be evaluating the papers, so you'll get every feedback accordingly. So take care, bye guys, and see you in the